Hi guys, I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a while. I just forgot. So what we are going to do right now, we are going to do a science experiment. So we are going to make an exploding volcano. So you're going to want something to catch it, a plastic cup, and then you could even do it outside without something to catch it if you want. Oh, everything's sliding because it's wet. Then you are going to want a tablespoon, a teaspoon, vinegar, baking soda, food coloring, dish soap, and a measuring cup. So I have my little brother here, Kobe. Say hi, Kobe.
Hi.
Okay. So first, what you're going to do is you are going to put in some 2/3 of a cup of water. So, Daddy, can you help us with that? To get water? Okay, my dad is helping us get some water in here. You want 2/3 of a cup. It doesn't matter what size cup, 2/3 of that size cup that you have. You're also going to want something to catch it because we just made an attempt and it almost flowed out of the bowl. So you're going to want to have a tall bowl. Okay, so what you're going to do next is you're going to put a teaspoon of dish soap in. So we have our dish soap right here. We have a mini bottle. So you're going to want to pour it over your cup, or I'll say water, because you don't want it to overflow. No, I'm gonna pour it for you, and then you're gonna put it in.
Can I try doing it by myself?
No, because you might overflow it. I'm gonna pour it, and then you're gonna put it in. Here, put it in. Okay. So now what you're gonna do? Oops. I have some stuff in here. So you want to put 3 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Last time we only did 3 and it overflowed a lot. So if you don't have something so significant to catch it, you probably want to do 3. So Kobe, pour. Oops. Drop some. It's fine, we'll clean it up after. 2. Here, take it. Be careful. Last one. Kobe, it's fine.
I have visual so I can do 3.
Okay, here. Put it in. Oh, it's fine, we'll clean it up after. Can you have it?
American tomato.
Yeah, you want to do that? Okay.
I'm just going to clean it.
Now,
Why not?
make sure to close it. Then what you're going to do is put in 1 to 2 drops.
Yeah, I'm gonna get mine.
Or you might want to do a little bit more. It depends how much you have in there. So, I'm going to put some in.
You want me to do it on that?
I wanted a different color.
No, it's fine. We're going to do red because red is the color of lava. Okay. So, wait.
Well, then you have to
So now what you want to do, Daddy, where did you put the measuring cup? I need it. Okay, 1 second. So now what you're going to do is you're going to put some vinegar, you're going to put a cup of vinegar in. Could you use for anything
Okay.
So, just...
Whoa! I really like the idea.
It's not an idea, Kobe. It's how you do it. Okay,
I really like the idea.
so I'm gonna pour it in. Then you're gonna do it, Kobe, so you can see how to do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I'm really excited for me.
Okay, this one might actually go over. Okay, Kobe. I'm gonna pour for you now.
You want to pour at the same time.
Well, there's only one cup. We couldn't. I wanted to do that too, but we couldn't. Okay, now you pour yours into the cup, into the cup.
3, 2, 1.
Wow!
This is my first time.
Yeah,
Wow!
it's my second time. Okay, Kobe,
Was that
you don't play
cool,
with it.
Kobe? Do you know any of the science?
I want to
behind it?
play with
What?
Do you know any of
it.
the
I
science
want to play
behind
with
it?
it.
No?
Okay, so yeah, that was fun.
I'm playing with it, Allie.
Yeah. So,
I'm playing with
Kobe.
it. I'm just playing with it.
It's super fun. Hope you enjoy doing it at home.
Okay.
Join me next time.
That was super fun. I hope you enjoyed doing the experiment. See you next time. Bye.